Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, EF, A Tale of Melodies. So in this anime story, there are two relationships going on, past and present relationship for different person. In the past relationship, there is our first main character and he is in high school. So he is really good with studies and everything else in the high school. So his life was going kinda normally until he meets a strange girl. So that strange girl, our heroine in this anime, she knows our main character from the past, but our main character doesn't really remember her. So now in this high school, kinda disturbing, kinda romantic stuff gonna happen between them. And in the present relationship, there is our second main character. So he is living his life completely free, always flirting with women. With that, he is a great violinist. And our second heroine in this anime, after hearing him play, she kinda falls for him. So now in this anime story, she is trying to get close to him, but our main character, he doesn't really want to. So there are two beautiful stories in this anime, both of them are going parallel to each other. So this anime, it's a really sad but really beautiful anime and definitely worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Death Parade. So this anime takes place in a secret underworld where human goes to after dying. So in this place, there are some characters, bartenders. So if anyone dies, they came to this place and those bartenders decide where they're gonna go to. They're gonna reincarnate or they're gonna go to hell. So there is an interesting way for them to find that out. So after two people who died came to this place, they play a game decided by the bartender, and that game decide who gonna reincarnate, who gonna go to hell. So now starting in this anime, our heroine, she also died and came to this place. But as for our heroine, there is something unusual. For some reason, she can remember she have died. So because of that, our bartender, he can't really decide what to do with our heroine. So now, how he gonna judge our heroine and what gonna happen with her? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Another. So in this anime story, there is a middle school and something happened in this middle school at past. Because of that, this school have been cursed in a way. So now, starting in this anime, our hero, he just transfer into this school. So at first, in this school, everything was normal, but he found something odd in this school. So in his classroom, there is a girl with an eye patch. No one talks with her, even the teachers ignore her. Seeing that, our main character tries to befriend her, but from that point, our main character's real problems start. And with that, lot of horrible things gonna start happening in this middle school. So it's a good one, but a really horrifying anime. So think about that before watching this one. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.